Dr. Deepu Chengappa for the channel Health Online Plus. As we know that recently Government of India has released a guideline for vaccination wherein pregnant women can also be vaccinated. So that's a very good news for us because it was the pregnant women who are being infected and they used to develop very severe disease. The pregnant women are at a very high risk of developing complications when they are symptomatic. So this move of the government is very good step towards curbing the disease in this pandemic. Here are a few salient points from the new guidelines released by Government of India. All individuals above 18 years are eligible for vaccination. This includes even the pregnant women also. So why the pregnant women were considered for vaccination? Because they were at high risk of developing complications when they had symptomatic COVID-19 disease. Symptomatic pregnant women are at a high risk of developing complications, and also it may affect the fetus too. Hence, the pregnant women are considered for vaccination by the Government of India. The pregnant women who are at increased risk of complications due to COVID-19 are the pregnant women who are above 35 years, those pregnant ladies who are obese from beginning, and those pregnant women who have pre-existing illnesses like diabetes and hypertension, and those pregnant women who had a history of clotting of blood in the lower limbs, that is the legs. So what is the effect of this COVID-19 during pregnancy? If the women become symptomatic and develop severe disease, there are chances that she might have a premature delivery, and then the weight of the baby can be less than 2.5 kgs, and in rare instances there can be a death of the fetus, that is giving rise to stillbirth. What is the timing for COVID-19 vaccination? COVID-19 vaccination can be taken any time during the pregnancy, and it should be taken at the earliest whenever it is possible. If the pregnant woman is affected in the current pregnancy, she should not receive vaccination during the current pregnancy and should delay the vaccination till the delivery. She can receive the vaccination after the delivery. COVID-19 vaccination is very safe in pregnancy. Minor side effects can be there, including pain at the injection site, fever for 1 or 2 days, and there can be myalgia or body ache for 1 to 3 days. The long-term adverse effects and safety of the vaccine on the fetus and child is not yet established. We have to wait for further studies to confirm the adverse effects and safety on fetus and children. If you get any of the following symptoms following vaccination, please refer to a healthcare facility. That is shortness of breath, chest pain, and finding of pinhead sized red spots all over the body other than the injection site, severe abdominal pain, vomiting, headache, loss of consciousness, altered sensorium, etc. Hope this video might have cleared most of your doubts regarding the vaccination during pregnancy. If you have any queries, please put it in the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.